All right, it's been scrubbed. It's a bit warm in here though. I think I'm gonna go take it and have it weighed. All the rubber's in good shape, actually. Blasted out under there, all the steps, pulled the fire extinguisher out. Started doing some outside cleaning. That's probably the biggest thing. You can see how moldy. That's mold just from sitting. You know, they had it backed in between some trees, that roof. Okay. I done from probably here down. You have to get up there and scrub all of those rivets, everything from that black line down to here by hand with a little scrub brush. That's right there. And then I'll get up on the roof and I've done the side right here. It's a big bus. It's hard to clean. I got the back. I started getting that tape off, but they left it on so long. There's my seats. Alright, we're going to scrub this whole roof. Try and get all this black shit off of here. I'll let you know when we get done. We got all around this side of the bus down to the windows, gutter just scrubbed clean. You can see the blue bird. Okay. And I'm not joking when I tell you we spent 3 hours on this roof scrubbing. So from the rain gutters to about the black stripe on the other side of the roof is done. We haven't done the other side. We spent 3 hours doing the seats yesterday. It was 80 degrees today, humid out. And scrubbing these panels by hand with a little no joke. Every one of these panels, scrubbing them by hand because nothing would touch the junk on these roofs, and you can still see, you know, it'll take a whole nother cleaning to get them spotless. If I had a Blue Beacon within 50 or 60 miles of here, I'd have just took it to the Blue Beacon and paid them. Really, because this is a job. It's slippery up here. I mean, I'm telling you what, when you get that, what do we got? Simple Green mixed in a gallon jug, and you get that on your shoes, and man, it's like walking on clay. It is so slippery up here. There you go. That's what it looks like now. Remember, it used to be black. There you go.